BJP MP Ashok Argal is to be questioned according to sources in the Delhi Police crime branch in the cash for votes scam today. BJP MP Ashok Argal was allegedly given the bribe money. Bhavtosh and Sanket now joins us live for more on this. Bhavtosh, what is specifically the line of questioning for Ashok Argal likely to be of the Delhi Police crime branch?
Well, a key player in the cash for vote scam, Ashok Argal, was at his residence. In fact, the bribe money was exchanged. Sanjeev Saxena entered his house with the bribe money. He's also the man who went to the well of the house and flashed the cash. And it was at his residence a day earlier that Rewti Raman Singh came, spoke to Amar Singh and told them that if they want, they can come and meet Amar Singh. Ashok Argal, in fact, is one of those players, according to Sohail Hindustani, who was willing to change sides and was also part of the cash for vote sting operation carried out by news channel. That's the reason why his questioning is very important. As a first step, the Delhi police have now called in Member of Parliament from Allahabad, Rewti Raman Singh, for questioning. His questioning will last around 90 minutes. The parliamentary committee report has said that there are certain discrepancies in his statement. However, Rewti Raman Singh maintains that it was Sohail Hindustani who got in touch with him and that he never met Sohail Hindustani before the trust vote. However, crime branch officers say that they would like to ask him about his relationship with Sohail Hindustani and what was the reason for him to speak to a person who is so insignificant. And that's the reason why Sohail Hindustani has now been brought in for questioning, Rewti Raman Singh, and followed then by Ashok Argal.
Right, Sanket is also with us. Sanket, politically, can this mean trouble for the Samajwadi Party as well as the BJP?
Well, at least the Samajwadi Party is perceiving this as a problem. If you go by the statement that Mulayam Singh Yadav made yesterday, where he in fact came out openly in support of Amar Singh, where he said that it was this government that actually wanted support of the Samajwadi Party. We never went and supported this government, so it was in their interest to garner our support, and we have not done anything wrong. And we feel that we are being targeted. These were, of course, the words of the Samajwadi Party and the larger sense also. So if you talk about a political threat and a sort of a fallout of that being that there could be a differences emerging between the Samajwadi Party and the Congress, then in that case that's pretty much the case. As far as the BJP is concerned and its MP Ashok Argal is concerned and other members also of the BJP and MPs who were involved in this entire scam and their questioning is concerned, they've made it very clear that they wanted this to happen all along. For the past 3 years it was not happening because of political pressure, and finally it has taken the Supreme Court's direction that the Delhi police has eventually started its questioning. We also interviewed Ashok Argal a few days back immediately after this controversy broke out and the crime branch investigation started, where he said that better late than never, eventually it is happening, and he does approach members of the Delhi police. He does actually want members of the Delhi police to carry out the investigation. So as far as BJP is concerned, politically they are okay with their stand, where they say that they would in fact present their side of the story as and when they are called for questioning. The Samajwadi Party perceives this as a political threat.